Welcome to our channel. As usual, you're with EDKM. For those who are new, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on all videos we upload on our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about batteries, battery basics, and safe handling, understanding batteries, maintenance, and safety in machines. Training objectives. By the end of this training, participants will be able to understand 1. What a battery is and how it works. 2. Main parts of a battery. 3. Types of batteries used in machines. 4. Why batteries fail. 5. Proper charging and jump starting procedures. 6. Safety rules and best practice when it comes to batteries. What is a battery? A battery is a device that stores electrical energy. 2. Converts chemical energy into electrical energy. 3. Supplies power to start engines and run electrical systems. So, in simple terms, we can define a battery as a battery stores electricity and releases it when needed. How a battery works. Inside a battery are chemical plates and liquid electrolyte. When a chemical reaction takes place, electrical energy is produced. Electricity then flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, supplying power to the machine. The process allows the starter motor to crank the engine and power lights, sensors, control systems, etc. Types of batteries used in machines. The most common batteries used is the lead-acid battery. We also have maintenance-free batteries, rechargeable batteries, and non-rechargeable batteries for small devices. Most machines like excavators, concrete pumps, trucks, generators, road construction machines, etc. uses rechargeable lead-acid batteries. There are other types of batteries used, but the most commonly used is lead-acid batteries. Role of battery in heavy machines. In heavy machines, we need batteries for the following. 1. To start the engines. Imagine if we don't have a starter motor, a strong starter motor, and a strong battery starting a big engine, not like for a motorcycle whereby someone can kick start. 2. Power lights and dashboards. 3. Supply electricity before the alternator starts. As we know, when alternator starts working, it supplies electricity to most of the components. But before the machine starts, we need electricity. So the battery provides us with electricity before the alternator starts to work. Support electronics and control systems. Without a good battery, the machine will fail to start or will not operate correctly. Why do batteries fail? Yes, batteries do fail. Batteries do not last forever. The following are common reasons why batteries fail, but not limited to what I give you. There are more reasons why batteries do fail, but this is some of the reasons why batteries fail. 1. Over discharging. 2. Lose connection or corroded terminals. 3. Old age. As you know, whoever gets old gets weak. Poor charging system. Poor charging system, this one means it can be overcharging or undercharging. 5. Extreme heat or coldness. Temperatures should be maintained. If we are operating in extreme heat or extreme cold, the batteries are affected. 6. Level of electrolyte. If we have low level of electrolytes, the battery will fail, will go bad and will fail. All in all, if we have a proper maintenance, can prevent many of these problems. Signs of a weak or failed battery. Signs of a weak batteries include 1. Slow engine cranking. 2. Clicking sound when starting. 3. You will have dim lights. 4. Battery warning lights on the dashboard. 5. The machine not starting at all. If you notice any of these signs, check the battery immediately before you proceed. To all our dear viewers, followers, subscribers, please, we request you to keep on commenting on our videos as much as we can. All comments, negative, positive, and encouraging, all of them, they help us to grow. Because if you give us a negative comment, it helps us to make it better. If it is a positive one, it gives us more courage. So please, we request to keep on following, subscribing, liking our classes. What is interesting, like, be honest, don't flatten us, but be honest. It is good, tell us it is good. It is not good, tell us it is not good, so that we can improve together. Thank you. On checking any other thing. Self jump starting procedure. Jump starting must be done in a correct way. 1. If you are to jump start, park the two machines closer to one another, but don't allow them to touch each other. 2. Switch off both engines. 3. Connect the jumper cable. Make sure you connect positive to positive first, then connect negative to the machine frame, not directly to the battery. Start the donor machine first, then the machine with dead battery. Remove the cable in reverse order. Caution: never reverse the battery terminals. What I mean, never connect positive to negative or negative to positive. This can cause serious damage on machines and even can cause serious injuries to the person doing it. Correct battery charging procedure. When charging a battery, always follow the correct procedure. Here we are considering the battery have been undercharged. It have stayed without charge. It have undercharged. So the following are the procedures you need to follow to charge a battery. First, switch off the engine. In case you did not remove the batteries from the engine to the charging room, If you are charging direct on the machine, first switch off the engine and all electrical loads, switch them off. Connect the charger. Here you have to connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Set the correct voltage and current. For example, you have to know how much voltage you are charging. Is it 12 or 24? How much amperage you need, you have to set. Charge slowly to avoid overheating and damages. Once fully charged, disconnect the charger safely. Battery safety rules. Battery safety is very important because remember, here you are dealing with acids, electricity, and chemicals. So it is important safety. Always one, wear gloves and eye protection when you're working on a battery. Avoid smoking or opening flame near batteries. Prevent sparks. Never short circuit the terminals. Handle battery acids carefully. Remember, batteries contain explosive gases and corrosive acids. Battery maintenance, best practice. Good maintenance extends battery life. So please always do the following. 1. Keep terminals clean and tight. 2. Check electrolyte level if applicable. Keep the battery clean and dry. 4. Charge the battery if machine is idle. 5. Inspect cables regularly. Replace batteries that are old or weak. This one is in case you are using more than one battery and you find out one of the batteries is weak. Don't keep it on the machine like it will be supported by the other one. It will instead kill the others. So if you note one of the batteries weak or old, please replace it, not to affect the others. Environmental and disposal safety. Batteries contain hazardous materials. That is what you have to know. So it is not something to be left and be played on like with children or with people. Never throw batteries in normal waste, in normal garbages. Always return used batteries to approved recycling center. Proper disposal protects people and the environment. Remember, you are dealing with acids, chemicals, and electricity, so it should be disposed correctly. So in our conclusion, we can summarize that batteries are critical for machine operation. Proper handling and maintenance improves reliability. Unsafe practice can cause serious injuries and damages. Good battery care means safe and reliable machine. If you found this material useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your team. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on our next video. And please like and share. Let's see our video move. What you learn, let our friends also learn. For those who haven't subscribed, please, humble request, please subscribe and keep sharing our videos. Thank you. Thank you.